Hello everyone, welcome to 2 Minute English, where you learn one useful English point in just 2 minutes. Today's common mistake is she said me the truth or told hello to me. Let's fix it. We use say when we focus on the words. We use tell when we focus on the person. Look at these examples. She said hello. She said that she was tired, but she said me the truth? Of course not. She told me the truth. So the rule is simple. We use say with words and we use tell with person. For example, I said sorry. He said he was busy. I told him the news. She told me a secret. Now, a useful expression, tell the truth. It means say what is real, not a lie. For example, please tell the truth. Did you break the phone? Let's check more examples. He said me a story? Of course not. We say he told me a story. She told good morning? Of course not. We say she said good morning. Here is an easy tip. If you see a person after the verb, use tell. If you see no person, use say. Let's practice. What do we use here? Say or tell? Excellent. We use tell. Tell me what happened. What about here? Thank you. We use said. Said thank you. So remember, say for the words and tell for the person. This small change can make your English clearer and more natural. That's today's lesson in 2 minutes. See you in the next episode of 2 Minute English.